Let's make garlic parmesan buffalo chicken. I'm using Pepper Palace garlic parmesan buffalo wing sauce. I'm taking my chicken and pat it dry, coat it with some mayonnaise or oil, and then you want to season with whatever you prefer. I'll list what I used. And then we're going to put it on a baking rack because it's to make it more crispy. Put it in the oven for about 400 for like 35 minutes. Take it out, top it with sauce, put it back in for about 15-20 minutes or until it's tender. You can stick a knife through. Top it with more sauce and then enjoy. Check out Pepper Palace and all their yummy sauces.